Hey guys, welcome to widget.in. Today we have with us the Garmin Fenix 5S fitness watch. Before opening, let's take a look at the box itself. On the side you see a side view of the watch, and at the back you see some of the included features such as the heart rate monitor, notifications, the advanced performance metrics, and below that you see the inbuilt training features such as the running or sprinting mode, the swimming mode, the cycling mode, and the trekking mode. Now let's open up the box. Inside the box you have the watch itself, the charging cable, and a user manual. Now coming to the watch, what we have here is the black variant. It is pretty lightweight and it only weighs 67 grams. At the front you see straight away that it's got a round face and a stainless steel bezel. The lens on this watch is a sapphire crystal one. At the back you see the 3 LED heart monitor lenses. You can also see that it is water resistant for up to 100 meters. Now coming to the buttons. At the top left button you have the light button, which enables you to see in the dark. Below that you have the menu button, where you have a set of options, so you can play the game Flappy Bird. You also have a compass with an altitude meter and a barometer. You also have a rest mode, a step counter or a step tracker, a sprint mode, a training mode, and a heart rate sensor. On the top right you have the select button. Upon pressing mode and moving to the altimeter section, it shows you a graph of the altitude. Below is the back button. Moving forward, upon pressing the same button on the rest mode, it shows you a graph of the amount of rest you have gotten in the past 4 hours. It does the same with the step tracker as well. It also shows a calculation of any activity that you perform during the day. You also have modes to choose from, such as the yoga mode, floor climb, walk, the running mode, and the cardio mode. You also have a timer with a stopwatch, and it tracks the calories as well. It's got a beep and a vibration to it. The watch also allows you to save your statistics as well. At the back of the watch, you see the 3 LED heart monitor lenses. Other than that, you also see the charging and data port. At the top, you see that it is waterproof up to 100 meters. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of the Garmin Fenix 5S fitness watch. Thank you for watching and goodbye.